Hi everybody, again this is Gareth Howell, M5KVK, and continuing on the series of videos about constructing the QCX kit. I realised that before I actually went into construction it would probably be worth talking briefly about some of the tools that I use. As you can see in front of you, I've got a jig here for holding the circuit board, which I find to be really useful. I bought this some years ago when I was building the Elecraft K2, and it made an enormous amount of difference having something that I can sort of populate and then just twist it over and solder the other side and alter the height and do all sorts of things with it. It's a very useful piece of kit. I'll just move that out of the way for the moment. First and foremost, most amongst the tools obviously is the soldering iron. This is a very old, I think I got it when I was a junior engineer back in the 1970s. Temperature controlled Weller soldering iron with a fine bit on it. It's a number 7 bit, if that means anything to anybody. Pair of flat clippers for clipping off soldering leads, off leads. Pair of fine needle nose pliers. I've also got another pair somewhere, never mind, that I use for forming the resistor leads so that they look nice on the board. A hemostat, again for picking up and moving fine items around. And then, just in case, hopefully I won't need it, but I've got a solder sucker and some soldering wick as well. That's pretty much all I need. Obviously, fine solder. This is rosin core solder. I prefer this. Some people use non-rosin core these days. I've always used this. It works perfectly fine because it's got the flux in the middle of it, so you don't need to worry about using flux on the board. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an idea of that. I'm now going to get on and start stuffing this board and start building it up. So I'll come back at a later time. Thanks for watching. Bye.